Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and we're going to be talking about what is going on. Oh my God, what is going on with Apple and cryptocurrency? What is going on with Apple and Bitcoin? And what is going on out there for everything? And also, guys, there's an article that just came out about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin. This article predicts that Dogecoin could be going to the freaking moon, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. And guys, tell me, how is the sound out there, guys? It is a great time to be alive, guys. So hopefully you guys are loving it, and I'm loving it. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So I love it. So let's jump into content without any further delay. And welcome to everybody. Absolutely welcome to everybody in the live stream. We've got a little bit of a different background today, so hopefully you guys are looking pretty good. So woohoo! And guys, don't forget, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And as I promised in the previous video, we do have the brilliant alien in the house, and we got Dino the Dino out there. So let's jump into content without any further delay. And guys, don't forget to go and smash the likes, guys. Thank you for being in the live stream. Streg Hart, Marvin, Red Rose, Pat, Ryan, everybody. It's a great time to be alive. We got Crypto Papa in the house as well. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So hopefully we don't have any technical difficulties. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. And wow, it's a great time to be alive. So right now we got 67 people in the live stream. Thank you. Do me a favor, throw down a like, and let's get into it. So we are seeing that yesterday we did see that the U.S. markets did pretty good, even though, we had Amazon, stocks were down. But interestingly, it looks like the Zuckerberg Meta was also up yesterday. So that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting that. I thought that, the metaverse and Zuckerberg's company would be going down, down. Interstellar Laser Designs, hello, brother. Danny Diaz, welcome. Rolling. It's been more than a minute, guys, and Cobra in the house, guys, so let's get it. So as you guys know, that the U.S. passed a bill to increase debt ceiling by $1.5 trillion. Once you realize this isn't actually a ceiling, you'll understand why you need Bitcoin. So you can see here that, since 1980, we saw that basically the debt was kind of just flat. But take a look at what happened since 2010, 2020. The debt ceiling has just been going crazy and crazier. And, what happens is every time they increase the ceiling, they need to pay off that debt. So what they do is they just print more money out there. So, this is a perfect example of why you and I, we need Dogecoin, we need Bitcoin, and we need each other out there to hold strong, be strong, guys. And don't forget to smash Dogecoin, freaking one, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Smash it up, guys. And don't forget Dogecoin 555, and don't forget Dogecoin 333 for absolutely the haters out there, guys. And if you need the OG to kiss the alien, you know what you got to do out there. You know what you got to do, guys. Don't forget to like this content, like, comment. We've got to push it out, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. Show some love with lots of hearts, guys. Lots of hearts and kisses out there. I appreciate it. So what else is coming in out there, guys? Wow, Frank Sabala out there, guys. Much love. Kissing the alien out there. Thanks, Sabala, Frank out there. Much love. And Frank's been around a long time. He's a big supporter out there. And all of you, thank you very much out there. So as you guys did see that, yes, U.S. GDP rose just 1% in the first quarter. And that was signaling that the economy is slowing and we may tip into recession. So we did fall well below expectations out there. So that is not good out there. So more and more reason to be loading up on Bitcoin, more and more reason to be loading up on crypto. And guys, you can see here that right now you can see that Dogecoin is trending again when it comes to Twitter. So that is pretty good out there. I mean, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And you can see that, that is actually having an impact right here on the social sentiment, guys. So let's just get that going. Let's see what's going on right now. So we can see that even though people are talking and trending about Dogecoin, we can see that the social engagements are down. So this is kind of pathetic out there. And if you love the Dogecoin like I love you guys, don't forget, you've got to go out there and you've got to get onto Twitter and you've got to start showing some love out there, guys. Definitely need to do that. So what else we're seeing coming in? We're also seeing that right now the debt ceiling concerns are rising. by the solution by the solution has historically been a one-way street to the upside since 1995. So we can see that the debt ceiling just keeps on growing and growing. It's getting bigger, and that's not good for you guys out there in terms of dollar buying power, but it's definitely a good narrative for Bitcoin out there. It's just more and more reason why we need to be, loading up on Bitcoin, guys. Absolutely a great time to be alive, guys. So that's kind of cool. What else is coming in right now? If you take a look at the total liquidations that are coming in for Bitcoin right now, you can see that the total liquidations are pretty low. So, after everyone got totally wrecked out there, looks like the leverage apes are kind of licking their wounds and they're kind of slowing down on the leverage out there. But, in the last 24 hours, we are seeing that mainly Bitcoin out there. We have about $127 million worth of Dogecoin that also got wrecked out there as well. What else is coming in? This is kind of disappointing from my perspective. I was expecting, let me just give this a minute to refresh out there. Let's update the latest update out there for you guys. So you guys can see that 86% of the people are expecting that in 5 days from now, the FOMC out there, they're expecting a 86.5% rate hike out there. So that's kind of disappointing. I was expecting a lot, I was expecting a lot less. I was even expecting that, this should be the target of no interest rate out there. So what do you guys think? Absolutely smash the likes, comments, guys. And if you want to see the OG Kiss the Alien, you know what you got to do. You've got to give a super chat, show some love. We had Frank Sabata out there, and he is the king of the freaking stream. Dogecoin 111. Time to get some my favorite beverage out there. I love it out there, guys. So keep smashing likes, keep loving out there, guys, and show some love. And all you can do is every time you smash like, it brings in one more user into the stream. So, guys, when it comes to rate hikes out there, this is the current market expectations for the path of the Fed fund rate. So in May 3rd, we should be seeing around about 25 basis points, as I just showed you, and that will bring the rates to about 5 to 5.25%. In June, we're expecting a pause. July, we're expecting another pause, and then in September, we could see a 25 basis cut. Okay, that's cut going down. Then November 1st, we could be looking at a pause. Then in December 13th, we could see 25 basis cut again. So that could be pretty good. So that's why I'm thinking that May out there is going to be a little bit turbulent out there. We could see that the crypto markets could just kind of be going flat out there. So watch out for that one. Absolutely watch out for that. What else is coming in right now? If you take a look at the heat map, guys, let's give this a minty refresh. Minty refresh time. Oh, they're pow. So we are seeing that BTC is up right now about 1.41%. So that's not too bad. We're seeing Ethereum is at $1,900, and that's kind of neutral out there. So we are seeing that the crypto markets are kind of just neutral out there. I was expecting a little bit more of a boost because of the fact that the broader markets went up. But guys, look at the fear and greed index out there. Fear and greed is looking very, very good out there. We're at 64, which is better than we were yesterday, and that is because of this, guys. That is absolutely because of this. That's because of Dogecoin, and cryptocurrencies are going up right now. So we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is right now about 46.9, and we're seeing Ethereum is at 19%. So overall, we are seeing, let me just give this a minty refresh. Give this a minty refresh out there. There we go. Updated. So we are seeing that the Bitcoin dominance right now is at 47.2. Ethereum is at 19%. And overall, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is up about 1.46%. That is good. Ethereum is neutral right now, 29.4. We're seeing Ethereum right now is at $1,900. BNB is down. XRP is up. Cardano is slightly up. And we're seeing that Dogecoin is neutral. And Dogecoin is just hanging around the 8-cent level, guys. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get into it. Polymatic is also up. Solana is up. So basically, everything is just kind of like simmering out there. And we should expect things to be going up, guys. So let's jump into what's going on with Bitcoin out there. Then we're going to be talking about the Apple news, some Elon Musk news, and also Dogecoin to $1 guys. We're going to be talking about that and why I think that we could be seeing Dogecoin going up, guys. So it's a marvelous day. It's a marvelous day day out there. So right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is at 29,508, which is good. It has gone above the 28.8 resistance level that's now flipped to support. This is a really good support. So from this perspective, I'm looking at, we're seeing a nice trend line going like this. We're seeing higher highs right now coming in, so that is pretty good. Our next target is around about 30,280. So that is looking very nice, lovely, jubbly out there. So guys and gals, right now we're seeing Bitcoin large pump to 30,000 level. It did get heavily rejected. We can see it's creating lower highs locally, showing a sign of weakness. We need a clear break above 30K with a large volume to test 31. So right now, like I said, Bitcoin is really teetering right now between, the 29 and 30,000 level, because we have some big resistance. Our next resistance for Bitcoin is at 30,000. You can see here at 30,000, which is our blue line. We definitely need to see Bitcoin get above 30,000, stay there for 24 hours, and that is going to help push Bitcoin up and above $31,000. So that is our target. We definitely need to get Bitcoin into our blue box zone. You can see that better here on the daily out there. Let me just give this a quick refresh. Bang. So you can see here that Bitcoin definitely needs to get itself back into this blue box zone, and that is going to confirm a bullishness out there. So I believe that May is going to be kind of flat. Much of May is going to be doing the crabby walk, guys. What do you guys think about that? David Racine, Marvin, let's get it, guys. Let's absolutely get it out there. It's a much great time to be live. So we're seeing that. So keep an eye on that. Absolutely keep an eye on that, guys. Did you know that one Bitcoin is worth 6.45 million Argentina pesos? OMG, which is a 20x its value for them from the last 3 years ago. So as you guys know, that Argentina right now is 81% inflation out there, so that is crazy. But if you were holding Bitcoin, you would, it just goes to show that this is a good narrative for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great hedge against inflation. And remember, every single fiat currency out there will collapse. It always collapses because we have inflation, we have governments controlling it, and overprinting. Absolutely overprinting, guys. So that is what's going on with that. Interesting news. Also, looks like Quant Analysis Plan B is saying that we could be seeing Bitcoin going to about $200,000. And that could be seeing Mr. Brilliant in the house. Thank you, brother. Thank you. 555. So it looks like the king of the stream is still Frank. Still Frank out there with his $10 super chat. So we got Mr. Brilliant coming in at 555, guys. So 555, I love it. You love it, guys. Let's get it up there. Let's absolutely go. So we're seeing that Plan B is expecting a $200,000 Bitcoin coming in. And, from my perspective, I think he's right. I think we could be seeing a $200,000 coming in very shortly, guys. And if you take a look at the evolution of money, originally we had the barter system, right? Then we had gold. Then we had coins. Then we had cash. Then we had cards. Now we've moved to electronic payment. And now the next big evolution of money is going to be blockchain. It's going to be Dogecoin. It's going to be Bitcoin. Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys. Dogecoin 111. Let's get it. Pow! Out there, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So, guys, do you believe that Dogecoin will hit $1, guys? Mr. Brilliant, you're the man. Mr. Brilliant is now the king of the stream with $10.55. It is time to kiss the alien, kiss the brilliant, Mr. Brilliant alien for you out there. Much love out there. Smash the freaking likes, guys. Show some love. Let's get this video up to 200 views out there. I appreciate it. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think Bitcoin and Dogecoin is going to replace and be the new currency out there? Guys, I really believe that it is going to be the new currency. What do you guys think out there? Shane Smith in the stream. Much love to you, brother. Much love to you. Thank you for joining. Much love out there, guys. So it's time for OG to get a beverage. Let's get it. So that's interesting. That's absolutely interesting. What else is coming in? We're also seeing here, Bitcoin bull run begins. And this is from Trader Tardigrade. And we're right here now. And, this is the 2020 fractal. This was the, this dreaded lurgy reversal. And I see that the fractal is very similar. Mr. Brilliant, 111, much love out there. Thank you very much out there. Thank you. And guys, smash Dogecoin 111. If you love Dogecoin like you love me, and if you love the OG, smash 555-333. Let's get it, guys. So we're seeing that right now, that if you take a look at the current fractal of Bitcoin and we overlay that on the 2020 fractal, we're seeing something very, very, very similar. So a lot of TA analysts are saying that we could be seeing a huge rise for Bitcoin, a huge pump for Bitcoin in 2023. And this could maybe even happen before the halving, guys. So that is cool. Absolutely cool beans out there. Looks like Rec Capital Bitcoin has already broken its downtrend. That is pretty good. Now it's all about continuing the new uptrend. Whether a retest is needed or not, this is not the question. But history suggests that midterm to long-term outlook looks bullish. So we can see that Bitcoin is repeating the same pattern over and over again, and that gives me more credence, more belief out there that we're going to see Bitcoin rise like crazy out there. And bullish, guys, lots of bullish stuff out there. Looks like also Grayscale CEO expects a decision on attempt to overturn SEC's ETF rejection. So I believe that we could be seeing that an ETF could come very shortly. We've got Canada has ETF. Australia has a ETF. But what is happening with the US? So I think that Gary is going to have no choice but to capitulate and absolutely have a ETF in America, and that's going to definitely help Bitcoin. That's going to definitely help Dogecoin and the whole cryptocurrency adoption out there. So that is pretty good out there. So guys, you should be ignoring the noise and bears calling for 10K. So the bears have been calling for 10K for a very, very long time out there, and I think that on a higher time frame, we're going to see Bitcoin blast off, blast away. I'm very positive. Are you positive? James Lindsay in the house. Rolling. Much love to you, brother. Mr. Brilliant. Woo-hoo-hoo. Smash the likes. It's a great time to be alive. So we're seeing that, from my perspective, I think we hit bottom. 15.5. That was the absolute bottom. What do you guys think about that? Also, this is coming in. Are we about to see impulsive rally to 50K? So according to Christopher Inks, he is saying that we could be seeing an impulse rally to 50K. And if we follow this rounded bottom pattern here, and this has been the resistance line that we've retested, we bounced up from that, we could be seeing a nice bounce off from this support level. So this is some huge support. But like I said, the pivotal point for Bitcoin is that we need to get above 30,000, stay above there, and then get above 31. And that's absolutely going to be pumping things to the moon, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. And remember, do your own research. Never listen to me. Listen to yourself, do your own research, and never ever invest more than we want to use. Because remember, crypto is highly volatile, guys. But if Wendy Trendy is your friend, if you zoom out, you can see that Bitcoin has been rising. And remember, right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is highly, highly tied to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin rises, Dogecoin rises. That is what that's all about, guys. So what else is coming in? More from TA analysts, and he's saying, typically we see Bitcoin bull runs occur every 430 days. So we have just passed 1,430 days, guys, since the last bull run. And what does that mean? It means that the next bull run is about to start. So guys, you should be feeling fantastic. More and more evidence out there that the bull run is here. The bull run is here to stay, guys. So more positive news. Look at this chart. If you're still waiting for 10K, forget about it. We have broken above the resistance. That is very bullish. We have good support at 26. Our next support is at 28.8, and it's looking pretty good. And I believe we have a magnet. It's inevitable that we're going to be seeing 39 to 50K out there, guys. So right now we got 345 days to the next halving. Fantastic out there. Fantastical. Guys, here's the big Apple news. Wow. Oh my God. Apple has decided to remove the Bitcoin white paper from all MacBooks starting in the next update, guys. So that is kind of interesting because there was some rumors, there were some inklings out there that, the Bitcoin creator is actually Steve Jobs. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that Steve Jobs is the actual creator of Bitcoin? A lot of people are saying that. If you look at the last message from the Bitcoin creator, and you look at when Steve Jobs died, it was in the same year, only months apart. So a lot of people are speculating that Steve Jobs was the Bitcoin creator. So it's kind of interesting that this move that before all the Bitcoin white paper was secretly stashed on every single MacBook out there. Now Apple has come out and said, look, we're going to be removing. So this is like, why? Why do they need to do that? What are they doing? It's interesting. Guys, what do you think? Do you think that Steve Jobs is the creator of Bitcoin out there, guys? So I think he is. I think it could be. If you take a look at what's going on with the DXY right now, DXY is just going sideways, doing a crappy walk. We definitely need to see the DXY go below this level right here. This is a key level for the DXY to hit. If we can see that happening, that will easily produce a $50,000 Bitcoin. So interesting. If you take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now, it's still trending up. It's slowly trending up, as you can see here out there. It's kind of trending up in this direction here. We've got a point of confluence here. If we can get past the $2,000 level, and I had this point of confluence here, then we'll see Ethereum flip very bullish and get above my blue trending line. So that is lovely jubbly out there, guys. So let's talk about Binance. Let's absolutely jump into what's going on with Binance. We got some Elon Musk and more Dogecoin news to cover. So right now, I've been telling you that right now, if you take a look at the nascent.ai Binance dashboard, we can see that Binance is still holding a ton of USDT out there. And this is an important indicator, something you should be watching, something you need to be watching, is that when you start to see the USDT start to go down in the Binance account. Now, right, keep in mind that Binance is now holding about $70 billion worth of crypto. Remember, most of that is your crypto out there. But if we start to see that this number suddenly starts to go down, 5%, 6%, 10%. So that is an indication that we're going to see a huge upside reversal for Bitcoin. So I'm keeping an eye on this. Of course, keep in mind that if you had dollar cost average Bitcoin from its top at $69,000 and you had done a weekly DCA into Bitcoin, you would be in the green right now. Okay, so just keep that in perspective. And that is, that's telling all the tale of how powerful, absolutely how powerful DCA is. So what does OG do? A DCA weekly, diversify my portfolio. That is absolutely key. So guys, keep that in mind. Keep that absolutely in mind out there, guys. So Bitcoin is unstoppable. Once again, Bitcoin is in one of the phase where it can't be stopped until certain targets are reached. So right now we have this magnet, and this magnet for Bitcoin, very bullish. We're seeing the Bollinger Bands oscillation has crossed, and every time we see that, we see a rise. And this magnet is calling for about a 29K coming in. So that's cool, guys. Absolutely cool. We're seeing that the amount of Bitcoin exchanges is going down, down. That is good. That is good because we're seeing more Bitcoin is flowing off exchanges into custody, self-custody, software wallets, and private wallets out there. So that is cool, guys. And remember, if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get a NANO Leger. You will sleep better at night. You will sleep absolutely better at night, guys. That is what I'm thinking. So right now, if you take a look at the Doge fear and greed right now, Dogecoin is getting better and better every single second. I still believe that Doge is the best currency on planet Earth. It is the transactional currency of the world, and we're going to see something happening from Elon Musk. Because if you go back to my previous video here, remember I did tell you that Elon Musk bought 215 million. Oh my God, Elon Musk just bought a huge amount of Dogecoin. So he bought about 215 million Dogecoin. Why did he do that? Because he needs to build up his reserves if he's going to have Twitter accept Dogecoin as the official currency, guys. So go back and watch that. It is cool. It is great, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So I'm loving it. I'm absolutely lovely, jubbly out there. And guys, this is, I thought this was kind of cool. This is Elon Musk. Elon Musk, approximately an hour ago, Elon Musk met with Majority Leader Chuck Schumer to discuss artificial intelligence. So, as you guys know, that Elon Musk is afraid of artificial intelligence. He thinks it could be taking over the world. He thinks it's definitely a threat out there. So this is Elon Musk, guys. Let's just replay this.
AI.
So let's replay this. Let me just turn it on.
It was good. We talked about the future. Anything in particular? We talked about AI and the economy. Thank you.
So it looks like Elon Musk was talking about AI and economy, and you know that Elon Musk is scared of the AI, guys. So let's get that. Looks like also Dogecoin Finer advises against investing in meme coins and NFTs and calls crypto scene stupid. So this is from Billy Marcus out there, and he basically kind of just reiterated that, Dogecoin was made as a joke, blah, blah, blah. And, basically said the founder of Dogecoin is issuing a warning against trading meme coins and non-fungible tokens, as he calls the crypto space even stupider than it was a decade ago. Well, in a new thread, Doge creator Billy Marcus, known as Twitter Shibatoshi Nakamoto, reaffirms that Dogecoin was started as a joke to make fun of the crypto scene, which he says has gotten even worse. So he's saying that the crypto scene has gotten worse. Doge was made 10 years ago to make fun of how stupid the scene was back then, and even stupider now. And people are just playing poker against each other and trying to dump their bags on each other. It doesn't bother me. That's just all it is. You can't stop, so, okay. So he's basically saying that meme coins are poker. But guys, don't forget, we got like Pepe and all this stuff. Yes, Dogecoin is a meme coin, but Dogecoin has been around for a long time. Dogecoin's utility is that it's fast transaction speed, fees. It's going to be absolutely something huge out there. I love it. You love it. So Dogecoin price prediction: as 900 million trading volume rushes in, can Doge hit $1 this year? My perspective is that Dogecoin is not going to hit $1 this year. Anybody tells you that, they need to brain pan examine. It's not going to happen. Could we hit 30 cents? Could we hit 50 cents? That's possible. Absolutely doable. That will all depend on what's going to be happening with Bitcoin. So keep that in mind. But some of the things that I thought important is that if you take a look, most promising is 30-day moving average yellow has recently risen. So we're seeing the 30-day moving average has risen above the 200-day, forming a golden cross. So we recently had a golden cross, which is positive for Dogecoin. At the same time, Doge's relative strength index purple line has been rising modestly towards 50 after a dive close to 40. So we're seeing the RSI rising, and we're seeing, a golden cross that is pretty good. So this potentially points to a quick recovery after it falls. So if you take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin on the daily, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is just smack at 8 cents out there. Absolutely smack at 8 cents out there. We did have this golden cross on the daily here. If we go to a shorter time frame, around about the 2-hour time frame, let's give this. We had a death cross here out there, and we had a bit of a downside. But overall, we're seeing that on the 2-hour, Dogecoin is just kind of going sideways. It's trending sideways. What do I expect for Dogecoin? I expect that Dogecoin, we could be seeing a breakout only if Bitcoin gets above 30,000. So we absolutely need to see Bitcoin get itself above 30,000. And right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin is at 29,478. This is a key area. This is a key area of resistance. If we can see Bitcoin clearly go above $30,000, we're definitely going to be seeing Dogecoin will absolutely rise in the same format and same manner, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Absolutely what I'm thinking. Let's take a look at what's going on in Dogecoin tokenomics right now. Let's get out of here. So right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is above 8 cents. That has been pretty good. It's been very tough resistance, but I'm still not convinced that we're out of the woods yet for Dogecoin. I still think we need to see 8.2, 8.5 before I can say, look, I'm confirmed that Dogecoin is going to go up right now. We only have a couple days left. Right now it is the 28th of April. The chances of Dogecoin hitting 10 cents is probably 0 right now. Probably we're going to be closing probably around about 8 cents. 8 cents, I think we're just going to be doing the crappy walk, guys. That's what that's all about. That's all I got to say. Okay, so guys, I did tell you that the biggest Dogecoin holder yesterday, Elon Musk strikes again, loads up over 215 million in Doge, guys. So I did tell you that. That is cool. That's what's going on. So I think that Elon Musk is loading up because he needs to have a large amount of Dogecoin for his Twitter Dogecoin integration, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what you're thinking. What else is coming up? Like I said again, Dogecoin, Elon Musk loads up almost $17 million yesterday of Dogecoin. That is pretty cool out there, guys. Let's see who's in the money, who's out of the money for Dogecoin. Dogecoin 111 out there, guys. And guys, don't forget to smash the likes, show some love with super chats out there. If you do want to see the OG kiss the alien, what you got to do is give a super chat. Guys, we're seeing that 54% of the Dogecoin community is in the money, 41% out. And we're seeing that mainly bearish right now. So let's take a quick look. And guys, be part of the freaking conversation, guys. Don't forget, if you're missing any of the notifications out there, please go and join our Discord. You're going to love it out there. You're absolutely going to love it. Let's take a look what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu is pretty much doing the same kind of thing that that Dogecoin is doing. It's just kind of going sideways. Everything is kind of, it's accumulation, coiling up. Everybody and most of the cryptos are waiting for Dogecoin's next move, guys. So we need Bitcoin's next move. My bad. Dogecoin next move, guys. So we're waiting for Dogecoin, huge next move out there. And when that happens, we are definitely going to be seeing that, Shiba Inu will go up, Dogecoin is going to go up, and everything is going to go up to the moon, guys. So I really believe that it's just a matter of time, time, guys. So guys, do not, I just can't stress as much that you guys definitely need to be being patient and wait for life-changing wealth, guys. It's just a matter of time, guys. So do not panic. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is going to get up there, guys. So, that's all I got to say. So guys, let's jump into the Q&A part right now. Let's jump on over to the chat right there. Who we got in the chat? We got Market Rain Freedom 111. We've got Shane Smith. Smash the likes. Much love, brother. I appreciate it. So thank you very much. Smash the likes. Mr. Brilliant, thank you for all the super chats. I really do appreciate that. That is absolutely lovely, jubbly out there. Cobra, love to Doge. Guys, if you got any questions, this is the time to ask me anything about crypto. We got Marvin out there. I love it. You love it. Well, we all love it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Travis, smash the likes. Thank you, Travis, for being here. Thank you for all the supporters out there. Thank you for everybody out there. Thank you for my moderators, David Ricine. Thank you for Frank Sapala for the beautiful, beautiful super chat. I appreciate it. Thank you, Mr. Brilliant, as well. Thank you all so freaking much for all the support and all the love out there. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And guys, don't forget to become members as well. I would appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. It's a great time to be alive, and all I gotta say is be well, be blessed, and guys, don't forget you can check out the merch, guys. Also get the merch, guys. We got lots of merch out there, and all I gotta say out there is be blessed, be well. I love it, you love it. Let's get it. Let's absolutely get it. Let's do the Dogecoin song. I love it, guys. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. I'll see you all in the freaking next one. It's a great time to be alive. Be well, be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.